First, please. Can I get one given piece of information? A, D, N, or N, please. Go ahead. D is 4. Okay. Very good. Now, please remember, guys, for this, for those people sitting relaxed, we're not at your house on the couch watching the football game here. Okay, sit up, please. D is going to be 4. We're going up by 4 each time. Very good. Riley, what else do I know? A is negative 20. Very good. Chris, what else do I know? N is 25. Tn is unknown. Okay. Paul, can you sub everything into the equation for me, please? It is 24. I'm just going to write it like that, Bill, but that is. That's 96, 225 equals 76. Now the beauty of this equation now is once you have it, you can find anything. If I were to say for part B, Brad, I'm picking on you, find T 1001, how would you find the 1000 first term? What would be the only difference? Uh-oh. If I were to say part B, find T 1001. Somebody, okay guys, can we focus here? Somebody help Brad here. How do you find T 1001? What do we do? Tristan, go. Yeah, all it's going to change now is n is going to be 1001, which makes this very powerful, right? So we want to say T 1001 equals negative 20 plus 1001 minus 1 times 4. Okay, so you can see how much faster this is once you have a nice equation to solve these things. So 1000 times 4 is 4,000, 3,980. So confirm that for me. Yeah. Okay. That's a lot. What's that? Yeah, it would take a long time. And I'm not, sorry, football players are these people. Okay. But, and again, they've calculated that through the, like, should hit pause. I told you what Noah's thing right in there. He plays every sport though, so he relies on that. Noah had the best semester last year. He had advanced functions and then data management. He had 2 maths in a row. Jennifer, wouldn't that be great to have 2 maths in a row to start your day every day? Oh, yeah. That would just be like a dream come true almost. All right, example 3 says 2. What am I on? I lost the count. 3. This example, that should have been 2, shouldn't it? I'm going to hit pause on the video. You guys want to hopefully for me find the value of the 123rd term in that sequence. So set it up. Okay, you guys shouldn't, okay? It's the same thing. Now, if the variables are scaring you, do them separately than the numbers. Brad, since I skipped you last time, can you recite from memory, please, the equation that we're using for this?
Tn equals a plus n minus 1.
Good. So Tn equals a plus n minus 1 times d. The difficult part for this question, it looks like it's going to be the d. I'm guessing something, right? That's yeah. All right, Alana, can I get something given for this question, please? What do you know?
Starting value is 10.
Good. All right, Leah, can I get something else, please?
N is 152.
Okay. All right, sorry, Alana.
D is 1.7.
Okay, guys, can you please stop? Please stop. Alana, what's the difference here going to be?
I don't know.
Okay, somebody help here. It's okay to give up. That's not okay to give up, okay? Other Alana, you want to try?
Is it x plus?
It is x plus 3, okay? Now let's think of how we got that, okay? If you look at the numbers, It starts at negative 10, negative 10, negative 7, negative 4, those are going plus 3. You start with no x's, then you have one x, then you add another x, and you have another x all the way through, okay? Are most people okay with where that x plus 3 came from? So you started with 0 x's, then you went to 1x, 2x, 3x. The numbers, you start at negative 10, then you're adding 3 each time for that. Yeah, Luke, go ahead.
Is x plus 3 in brackets?
It can be. It will be. It will be in a second. It will be. Right? Okay, great. So, Marissa, can you be brave and tell me what to write next?
10
Yeah.
equals negative 10 bracket x plus 3
Yeah.
minus 1.
Oh, careful. Right, because your n is 123. Okay. Right, because your number of terms, right? Right. So let's keep solving here. So I'm going to say that Tn is equal to negative 10 plus 122 x plus 3. All right. Unfortunately, some, if we were to get to this stage of the game, I would mark you half correct because I don't like the way that equation goes. Can you make that better, please? All right. So say T123 equals negative 10 plus 22x plus, what is that, 366? So T1, excuse me, 122x plus 356. Is that right? Sounds like a lot. All right, sort of makes sense? A little bit? Billy, how you doing? Try to go well for you too? I'm just not curious. I'm just making conversation. Okay, can I tell you guys a quick story? Let's hit pause here for a second, you guys. I got time for a break here today. Elephants. Elephants a big day. All right. Example 4. 4? Okay, this is a fundamentally important question for this unit. Okay, I'll be using this one a lot, so please sort of start beside this one. It says, find the number of terms in the sequence. Okay, I'm putting a star beside this because we'll have to do this again in a few days, okay? Every single day we'll probably do a question like this. Oh, yeah, by the way. Okay, Hannah, once you're done writing, if you can recite from memory, please, the arithmetic sequence for me, please, the equation. All right, what are we missing in this case? What are we looking for? Anybody here? What are we looking for? Yeah, Tristan, go ahead. N. We're looking for N this time, okay? So it's going to be a little bit backwards. I'll give you guys a minute to solve this, if you can. N is going to be your unknown time. Adrian's going to start me off here in a second, okay? But I want you guys to try and struggle with this one for a minute before I help you with times here. We're going to do. But Tn is, the question was, would Tn be 163? And it would, because Tn is either your, like the general term or the value of the last term or the nth term, okay? So 163 is going to be Tn in this case.